I'm going to show you how you can make probably your fastest and first $1,000 just by reading emails. So I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can go all about it. So the first thing you have to do is to go on to any browser of your choice. If you're using Google Chrome, if you're using Internet Explorer, if you're using Firefox, and dialing this keyword as I'm going to take you through about it. Dialing this keyword known as use proof, as you can see here on the screen. Use proof. Use proof and allow it to load. You send it and allow it to open. So use proof. So this is use proof. Don't click on the first one, click on the second link as you can see, useproof.com, the one with the URL of useproof.com, that is gps./useproof.com. So you allow it to open. Useproof.com and you allow it to open. Right, where is this? It says this site can reach. So this is useproof. Now useproof is a platform that helps website boost their conversion by 15% in under 15 minutes. And it says, we believe customer obsessed marketing is the best kind of marketing. Proofs make it easy, makes your website delightfully human. Now what is about this platform is that this platform helps websites gets conversion under 15 minutes. This simply means that it's a platform that allows affiliate marketers generate lead. You understand? They'll be able to generate lead and they sell to their lead and they will be able to make money. But you actually, your purpose of coming to this platform is not, you are not an affiliate marketer actually as per se. You are not yet to generate leads for your website. You are not yet to generate leads for your blog. So what you just have to do to this platform, on this platform, is to scroll down. You have to continue scrolling down, scroll, and you will get to this last place. As you can see here, it says partners. Now before we continue, my name is Basil, a graduate medical student in the University of Calabar, and my channel will talk about how you can make money online in 2024. So if you love content like this, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I drop a video like this, and so that you can also help me do. So like I've said, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get your fastest $1,000 just by reading emails. So after you have followed my step to this useproof.com and you have gotten to the down part of this of the user interface of the useproof website, you have to click on these partners and you allow it to open. As you can see, it says proof.partnerstack.com. So you allow it to open. So this is your partner, that is, you want to partner with them. It says want to boost our website conversion. Proofs show real people taking reactions, trusted by Opera, Lottery, Speedo, and 20,000 businesses. So as you can see, how the program works is that number one is that you have to join the program and get your referral link. The second one is that you have to share your link on social media and more. And the third one is that you will earn commission for sharing your link, your proof link. So these are the frequently asked questions. Is that how long do commissions last for? Unless commission state, a commission lasts for the lifetime of the account. That means for every account you sign up, if you sign up on this platform, the commission you continue getting on every link is that it lasts for a lifetime. So there's nothing like, okay, it's going to stop after 1 month, it's going to stop after 2 days. So it lasts for a lifetime. So how do I get paid? At the end of each month you get paid. The commissions are calculated and available for cash out via PayPal or Stripe, and this Stripe is for those countries that are not supported by PayPal. So when do I get paid? So payment at the end of the month after you have earned your commission. So how long do cookies last? Now this is a very important aspect. Now we use cookies to track your referrals. The cookies last for 90 days after someone click your links. If they click again, the 90 days start again. That means that if you send the person the referral link and the person click on this on that link and sign up and didn't make any pushes for like 80 days, there's still enough 10 days that if the person eventually in between these 10 days gets to make a purchase from your referral link, then you will get paid. So PartnerStack helps give you the tools and resources to help you promote their product, and you will get a reward for it. They give you every simplified tools you need, and you get a reward for it. Now what are the commission on this platform? Now you say you get 30% of every sale made. 30% of every sale made. That means I'm going to show you step by step actually. So what you just have to do is you have to click on join now. So if imagine 30% of $925, that means 30%, that's around $88 commission you have earned from just getting on your referral link or someone making a purchase to your referral link. So now how to sign up on this partner stack is that you have to give in your first name, give in your last name, your email, your business name, and how you want to identify yourself. So you can click on how you want to identify yourself, as an influencer, blogger, as an agency. You can just decide to click on affiliate marketer. As it, have you ever used Proof before? This is your first time. Please share the URLs you want to send your traffic from. So you have to send the URL you want to send your traffic from, whether it's website, online courses, Facebook. How do you plan to market Proof? What's the link to your LinkedIn? So you just have to give them what they are asking you for. Some of them are very, very important, and you just have to make sure you give them legit answers. So after that, you click on the submit application, and you'll be able to submit your application. Now, one of the ways in which you can make money, as you can see here, it says share the URL you want to send the traffic from. Now, you don't have a blog, you don't have a website, you don't have, let's assume you don't have a social media account, and you are just coming to this platform and they're asking you to share the URL you want to send the traffic from. Now, basically, all what you just have to do is to create a new tab on your Google browser. Please make sure you click on the red subscribe button, so that you encourage me to continue doing stuff like this. So this is a new browser tab. Now what you have to do is you have to dial in what's like technology blogs. You have to search for technology blog, and allow it to load. Technology blogs, and allow it to load. So this, you will get to see a lot of technology blogs, as you can see here. Media technology latest update, tech blogs. So you'll be able to get a lot of tech blogs. This is the Verge, Edakite, and a lot more. So these are a lot of technology blog. Now, how can you make use of these technology blogs that I gave to you? What you just have to do is to click on, for example, let's click on this one here on the list. So we allow you to open, and I will show you how you can actually make money off this, even when you don't have what do they call it, even when you don't have a blog. So the thing is this: you allow it to load. Now, for you to make money, for example, even when you don't have a blog, so as you can see, this is a blog. You just have to scroll down to the end of this blog. That's any blog of your choice that you're using. You just have to scroll down to the end of the blog or the website that you are using. You have to scroll down to the end, so it's actually taking long to load. Okay, now as you can see, it says contact. Now you'll be able to get their contact. As you can see, it says contact. So you click on this contact. When you click on this contact, you get to see their email and how you can contact them. Now you can simply write a detailed mail to them, telling them that they should help promote your link. Now what you are just doing is that they should help promote your link, and they will also make commission. That means, for if they decide to post their link, you are referral link on their platform, and for every sales you make, let's assume you make a sale of $1,000, and if someone get a purchase of $1,000 from that platform, and your 30% commission there is $88, you can decide to give them $30 of every purchase someone will make using their link. So that is how you can make money even without owning the website. So now let's head back to our use proof website. So this is our use proof website. So that is our use proof website and how you can sign up on this platform. So that is just, and when you submit your application, so let's go back. When you submit your application, you'll get to see how you have different available packages there for you. They have a package of $900. They have a package, as you can see, it says join the family by sharing the most widely used social proof tool on the internet. 20,000 businesses a year, and you can earn a conversion on average of 10 to 15%. You can refer proofs products. They have a lot of products you can refer here, and commission ranges from $9 to $130 per month and per customers. So this is a platform which you can make money from emails even without owning website. What you just have to do is to send mails to popular tech blogs in Nigeria or all over the world, any tech blog of your choice, and when they accept your request, and you can start making money from your commission. If you love this video, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so that you get updated anytime I'll drop a video like this, and so that it can also help me grow. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.